Okay, it is Friday, March 10th, 2017, and it's about 60-something degrees right now. Can't remember, but it's about 76 upstairs. It's kind of hot in my room last night and nasty. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the York on. The only reason I'm filming it is because there's a new setup I wanted to try where I set the GoPro on the disconnect box, and also I got a request when I turned the heater on back in November to just film the blowers running. So I'm gonna do a startup of the blower up there too with the iPod Touch. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how it works again. Okay, so here's the blower just running by itself. So yeah. And I forgot to mention we're having some work done in that room down there. I'm planning on tonight after they leave. I'm gonna take a video of the progress they made. So yeah, there is the blower just running by itself. Okay, it seems like that took forever. So I was going to use my BlackBerry. If you guys remember that BlackBerry, it's a piece of crap, the camera was. But I used to have to use it because I didn't have any other cameras to use. So I was going to use it for the thermostat, but the memory card was out of memory and stuff, and so I don't know. I just decided to use my mom's phone. See, this is a 2.5 ton from 2001, and they're looking at me again out there just like they were. And it's in that window right there. They're looking at me. So yeah, we're gonna actually go up. I did this a couple years ago. We're gonna go up to that window right there. That's my room. And we're gonna look at the unit running from up there. So there's a look at the York from up in my room. You can see the Guardian. So yeah, pretty cool. Sometime I might do a startup of it from up here. But I don't know. I don't know how I would do that. So yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, TM Brandish has his friend over here to finish that room over there. It's gonna turn into some kind of guitar studio or something, I don't know. But so yeah, tonight after he leaves, I'm planning on making a video and combining it with this one of how the progress is, I guess. So yeah, there's a look at it from Okay, real quick, a little York shut off down there. Here's this fan right here. I filmed it a couple of years ago, but obviously, you know, that video probably wasn't the best. And I know Van Berg likes fans like this and stuff, so I don't know if he watched that video. It's a Massey, just a basic. It's blue, as you can see, but I turn it on every night, except in the wintertime. I don't usually turn it on, but unless it's, well, here winter is like basically spring, the whole winter. So yeah, I just figured I'd film that, combine it with this, yeah, and then I'll go take a look at that. Okay, so here's that room I was talking about. So if you guys remember from my older videos, well, there's that ductopus right there. If you remember that video I took in 2014, came in here and filmed that right there. I think it's called, like, I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, you can see there, I mean, pretty cool, I gotta say. I haven't ever really actually came back in here yet. So, there's the American Standard down there. So yeah, I don't think they've done anything back here. My feet are probably getting all dirty right now, so yeah.